Hi there, welcome to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. Today I'm going to show you a G-shaped bar chord. Now, a G-shaped bar chord is a bit difficult to play, and I have usually found that the more difficult a chord is, the less likely you are to find it being played by guitarists in general, which makes sense, doesn't it? We want to do things that feel more comfortable and go for the easier stuff most of the time. So a G-shaped bar chord, it is just like a G open chord. If you're using fingers 2, 3 and 4, all you need to do is slide the whole thing up. If I slide it up to fret 7 and 8 there, then my first finger, and this is a bit of a stretch, my first finger has to bar strings 2, 3 and 4 on the 5th fret. So there's a gap fret there with nothing happening, okay? So we've got frets 8, fret 7 and fret 5. Nothing happening on fret 6. So that's a G bar chord, a G-shaped bar chord. The root note of the chord is played by the 3rd finger and it's on the 6th string. So there I'm playing a C on fret 8, so that means this is a C chord but it's a G shape. And this would be a G-shaped B chord and a G-shaped A chord. The middle part of that chord, the 4 middle strings, are actually used very often. So for example, you could go from an A-shaped bar chord and then find your way up to what's called a first inversion. I'm not going to talk about that in this lesson, but a first inversion, basically, you can think of this particular one as being the 4 middle strings out of a G-shaped bar chord. So that's quite simple. That would be just so you can repeat that. I'm barring on fret 5 with the 1st finger. So barring strings 2, 3 and 4. And I've got my 3rd finger on the 7th fret of string 5. So I'm just playing the 4 middle strings, 7, 5, 5, 5. And that is a commonly used chord. Okay, that's your G-shaped bar chord.